Hello friends, welcome to Technology Basics channel. In this episode, we will discuss about how to create a YouTube channel, complete setup, step by step. For creating a YouTube channel, there are some requirements. A YouTube creator should have 18 years of age or if minor, guardian should be there. He should have Gmail ID for creating YouTube channel. A YouTube creator should select the topic for which he want to create a YouTube channel. There are 15 categories which are recognized and approved by YPP program, that is YouTube Partner Program. They are film and animation, cars and vehicles, music, pets and animals, sport, travel and events, gaming, people and blogs, comedy, entertainment, news and politics, how to and style, education, science and technology, non-profits and activism. A YouTube creator should have computer skills and video editing skills. A desktop computer of i3 configuration or smartphone mobile. Any editing software or app with screen recording option. Internet connection. A mic or mobile phone mic can also be used. Who can create YouTube channel? People those who have minimum communication skills of English and clear verbal expression in any language can explore any kind of skill which is accepted by YouTube. Includes musicians, singer, comedy, short films, gadget unboxing, YouTube skills and earnings, art and craft, fashion, photography, news channel, etc. Job holders who have extra time and knowledge of computer skills. Business person have travel and also create YouTube channel and keep travel videos and business ideas. Housewives or homemakers who have cooking skills and keep upload of cooking videos on YouTube channel. Computer seller who shows latest gadgets and system configuration to buy on budget basis and requirements. Teachers or academicians can showcase their subject through YouTube channel to students online and offline. Note: the above listed categories are for referential purpose. Remaining categories are also eligible. Kindly log into youtube.com for channel categories for further information. What type of content can be uploaded on YouTube? Firstly, every YouTuber creator should and must follow community guidelines from time to time. YouTube creator should use his own voice and visual to describe his content in the video without any copyrighted material. Make sure YouTube creator own all the necessary rights to commercially use all visuals created by YouTube creator. Content of YouTube creator should be advertiser friendly. With legal permissions from the owner of legal content, that is music, video, can be used. If at all no permission has been taken, then the owner of the video or music will claim content ID and the income of the video may go to the owner or YouTube channel may be suspended or terminated at some times. Showcase the talent on YouTube channel like technology, unboxing, cooking, art and crafts, travel, photography, entertainment, short films, non-profit and activism, etc. To earn money from YouTube channel. After creating the YouTube channel, YouTube creator signs up for the AdSense account and monetization option. YouTube creator should possess 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers before applying for monetization. The YouTube team will review YouTube channel once you are eligible after completing eligibility criteria, 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, and approves the YouTube channel monetization option to the YouTube creator. YouTube will check the following while reviewing: main theme, most viewed content, newest content, maximum watch time, videos metadata, titles, description, and thumbnails. Once the YouTube creator gets monetization option enabled by YouTube, his or her channel will get ads from YouTube to the old videos as well as for future videos. After accruing minimum $10 in the AdSense account, YouTube will ask the above details. Provide your tax information, confirm your payee name and address, verify your identity, verify your address, select your form of payment. After confirming the details of payment and other details belong to you, $10 will be transferred depending on form of payment YouTube creator has selected. Before giving the payment to the YouTube creator, next onwards, YouTube deducts 45% of their share and gives the 55% share to the YouTube creator. Guidelines for the YouTube creators: that the creators should be active all the year from time to time. If the creator makes regular content up to 6 months and gives gap for long, then there may be chances of suspending or terminating the channel or holding the AdSense account. Advantages and disadvantages: learning communication skills and English or your own languages more. Earn more income on how much you present videos or episodes or be active on YouTube. Confidence level will be improved. Technological advancements can be known. More scope of creativity. Addiction to internet depends on user. Missing domestic or family life sometimes. Health should be regularly observed to avoid if any symptoms of ill health. Note: the above information is for illustration only and not applicable to anyone. Precautions to be taken while maintaining YouTube channel. Create YouTube content not taking too much of day. Do maintain time management. Do walking 30 to 45 minutes, meditation or yoga, or listen to music for relaxation and physical well-being. Consult general physician if needed. Wear anti-glare glasses for video editing purpose. Drink more water. Don't sit continuously for more hours on system. Allot time for research work of YouTube content. Don't make day busy. Should have minimum of 8 to 9 hours sleep. Note: above points are for illustration purpose only and not apply to anyone. For creating YouTube channel, a YouTube creator should create a Gmail ID. Follow the screen for further instructions. Go to address bar and type gmail.com. Select create account for myself. Enter your name and surname. Enter email ID for which you want to create Gmail. Enter password. It should be 8 characters, mix of letters, numbers and symbols. Click next. The username which we have typed is already taken by another user. Select from the existing as on the screen. Technology Basics 42. I am selecting. Click next. Now enter the phone number. If you have any existing Gmail ID, you can insert it as your recovery email address. Enter date of birth. Gender. Select gender. Male. Male. Click next. Gmail will ask to verify your mobile number. Click send OTP. You will be getting a OTP to your mobile number. Press skip. Google will ask to agree the privacy and terms. Read the privacy and terms and select agree. Click I agree. The Gmail ID has been created. After creating Gmail ID, now the next step is how to create YouTube channel. Go to youtube.com. Select sign in at the right corner of the page. Type your Gmail ID which was created. Click sign in. Now we have logged into YouTube account. Press the round icon and select create a channel. Press get started button. Now here comes two options for channel creation. If you want to choose your personal name, you can select this option. If you want to create a custom name, that is brand channel, select this option. So now I am selecting brand channel. Select. It is asking channel name. I am typing my channel name which I want to create. Tick the enable box as shown in the screen. Select create option. Now the channel has been created. It is asking to upload profile picture. Profile picture dimensions are 800 into 800 pixels. Includes JPG format, PNG, BMP, GIF. Now I am selecting upload picture and uploading my logo profile picture. It is uploaded. Now it's asking for channel description. I have entered the channel description. Now it's asking website. If you have any website, you can enter here. And it's asking Facebook page or profile name if you want to add as a social link. I am entering technology basics as my Facebook page is there, and it is asking Twitter account social link. Technology basics I have. I don't have Instagram account, so I am selecting save and continue. Go to customize channel option. At the time of creation of YouTube channel, we have uploaded the logo. For uploading channel art, the channel art picture should be at the size of 2560 into 1440 pixels. Maximum of 6 MB file size should be there. I am clicking add channel art. I am select a photo from your computer. If you want to adjust in the 3 modes, you can adjust. I am selecting select. Now it's uploaded. Now we have to verify YouTube channel account. Go to the channel icon. Go to settings, select channel status and features. Select verify. Now it will ask to call or SMS the code. Select text and enter the phone number. Click submit. It will send a 6-digit verification code to your mobile number which you have entered. I have entered the OTP which came to my mobile. Click submit. Now the YouTube account is verified. Click continue. After verifying the YouTube account, the following features are eligible. Uploading is eligible. Monetization is ineligible as you don't have any videos and subscribers. Live streaming is eligible. Click enable. It is showing ready in 24 hours. Embed live streams ineligible. Longer videos. Videos which are more than 15 minutes are eligible on your channel. Unlisted and private videos option is enabled. Custom thumbnails option is also enabled. External annotations option is also enabled. Custom URL is ineligible. As the channel is new, for claiming a custom URL, a YouTube creator or a YouTube channel should have 100 subscribers, a introduction, logo, channel art. Content ID appeals are ineligible. Channel memberships are ineligible. After login into YouTube account, select your channel option. Go to YouTube Studio. Go to settings for making default settings for the YouTube channel. In the first tab, general, default units are USD dollar currency. In the second tab, there are 4 options, that is basic info, advanced settings, branding, future eligibility. In the basic info, keywords to be inserted for the channel. Second, it is asking for country. Select which country you are staying as your country. India I have selected. Now select save. It is asking whether your channel belongs to kids or not. So I am selecting as I want to review this setting for every video. Here it is asking subscriber count, enable or disable option. If you enable this option, it will display the number of subscribers you have on the channel. If you disable this option, it will not show on the. Coming to branding, for keeping logo as watermark or any other content as picture format, the size of the picture should be 150 into 150 pixels, maximum of 1 MB. Choose image. Selected my PNG image of 150 into 150 pixels and it got updated as watermark. And it is asking display time, end of the video or entire video. I want to select as entire video. Selected. Click save. Future eligibility, under this option default features are enabled like uploading videos, playlist creation, add collaborators to playlist, add new video to existing playlist. Features that require phone verification. As I have done phone verification, it is already verified. The features are videos longer than 15 minutes, custom thumbnails, live streaming, appealing content ID claims. Coming to upload defaults. It is a main section of the channel. Title. When we upload a video in the channel, episode wise, we will mention the episode. So when we write the episode here, it will be easy to upload in future. As my channel name is Technology Basics, I am entering as it is -1. It includes episode, and here I am writing the description. As I have social links, apart from that you can mention channel disclaimer content and video disclaimer content also if you have. I am updating my content disclaimer. And click save. Click on advanced settings. It is asking for license. Which type of license you want to select? Standard license, Creative Commons. Standard license is the license which any YouTuber can create, which they do the content on their own visual and own audio. A Creative Commons attributions are those which a video can be reused without the permission of the owner. I am selecting standard YouTube license. Category. As said in the first session of the video, 15 categories. Among them, I want to select my channel as how to and style. Original video language, subtitles and Creative Commons. It is asking which language do you prefer to show or speak. I am selecting English, United States. Caption certification. In general, it is not required. Should be kept none. Community contribution. If you want to keep it on, you can keep it. Otherwise, you can keep off. Comment visibility on every video. It is asking to allow all comments, hold potentially inappropriate comment for review, hold all comments for review, disable comments. I will keep all allow comments. Click save. User can view ratings for this video. If you enable this option, it will show the ratings. If you disable, it will won't show ratings on the video. Coming to permissions. You can manage the channel by inviting your friends or technical team to manage this channel alternately. By clicking managing permissions, it will show the users roles, invite and remove also. Coming to community option, automated filters. They are used automatically when we keep the inputs exactly what we want. Moderators. If you select this option, these users can remove comments which will appear in your held for review page, and they can also moderate your live chat messages. Coming to approved users. Comments from these users are automatically published and won't be filtered for blocked links, blocked words or potentially inappropriate content. Coming to hidden users. Comments and live chat messages from these users won't show up. It may take several days to remove existing comments and live chat messages. Blocked words. This option includes Comments closely matching these words will be held for review. Live chats matching these words will be blocked. Block link option. If you select this option, new comments with hashtags and URLs will be held for review. Live chat messages with URLs will be blocked. Selecting default option. Under community tab, it is asking comments on your new videos. Allow all comments. Hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. Hold all comments for review. Disable comments. I am selecting allow all comments. Comments on your discussion tab. Allow all comments. Hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. Hold all comments for review. Disable comments. I am selecting allow all comments. Messages in your live chat. If you enable this box, it will hold the potentially inappropriate chat messages for review. I am selecting it. Click save. How to protect your YouTube account from hackers. Log into Gmail ID. Go to the right top corner and select the icon. Select Manage your Google account. Select Security. Select Two-step verification. Select Get Started. It will ask for the password of your account. Select country. Enter your mobile number for which you want to get OTP. Select text mode or phone mode. I am selecting text mode. Click next. Verification code was sent to my mobile number which I have typed. I am entering the verification code which I got on my mobile number. Click next. Click turn on two-step verification option. Now your YouTube account is completely safe with two-step verification. Each time when you log in into YouTube account, it will ask for OTP.